Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to program an Infiniti G37 key fob. It's important to know that for many Infiniti G37 models, a simple do-it-yourself programming method for the entire key fob, including starting the car, is generally not available. This process often requires specialized tools and expertise to ensure your new fob works correctly with your vehicle's security system. The reason professional help is often necessary lies in the advanced security features of your Infiniti G37. Each key fob contains a unique transponder chip that communicates directly with your car's immobilizer system. This system prevents the vehicle from starting without the correct, registered chip. Specialized diagnostic equipment, often found at dealerships or locksmiths, is needed to properly register and synchronize a new key fob with your car's computer. When you need to program an Infiniti G37 key fob, you have two primary options. First, an authorized Infiniti dealership can provide comprehensive programming, ensuring full compatibility. Second, a certified automotive locksmith often offers a more convenient and potentially less expensive service. Always confirm they have the specific diagnostic tools required for your G37 model to avoid any issues. When you take your Infiniti G37 for key fob programming, the process usually takes between 15 and 30 minutes. It's common for all existing key fobs to be reprogrammed simultaneously to ensure they all work after the new one is added. You should anticipate a service fee for this specialized programming, which covers the use of diagnostic equipment and the technician's expertise. It's a small investment for peace of mind and full functionality.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.